Hi Kate, we are here again to see you measure your current in series. Could you help us do that? Explain what you're going to do?
I think I can. What we have is a setup here so we can actually put our multimeter in series with the whole entire circuit, so we're getting a proper current reading. So we're going to use the same circuit board here with all of our basics for a proper circuit. We have our control device, we have our light or our resistance, we have our other control device, our switch, have our power source, and you'll see that we're going to be reading both amperes and voltage on our DR symbol meter. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start, make this nice and simple. We're going to start here, go to our positive lead, put it in positive, and then from this point we are going to attach our meter into the 10 amp side, and we are going to transfer this guy in with that one.
So for your meter, you always want to take a higher value.
Right.
Okay, so 10 amps. Okay.
Okay. Where's my... Oh. Alright. Going this way. Completing the circuit. We are attaching the other end of the multimeter, the negative, back to the power source.
Okay.
So as you see, we have now created a complete circuit with all of our necessary attachments. Okay, so now you see we've created a full circuit for power to our positive, and out from the negative coming down into our multimeter, and then back to power for a full return. Alright, so we have it on 10 amps, and we're going to give ourselves some current.
Maybe like 5 amps.
In series.
Okay.
We should have a little over 1 amp. We do?
Yeah, this is 1 ampere in your meter.
Mm-hmm.
And then
It's identical.
on your analog over there, you have 1 amp. Okay. And your light is still working. So you are connected in series. Okay. So you want to show us how to measure volt in parallel too.
All right.
Okay.
Now we're going to check voltage on a series circuit, which means we have to be parallel
Connected.
to the circuit. Don't need this guy anymore. That's good. So now you see we have a complete circuit already. Okay, so now we have a completed circuit here. So adding this to these 2 points actually puts this in parallel with the circuit. So we're going to go ahead, give ourselves some power. We'll give ourselves 10 volts on the meter.
So 10 volts on the meter. Okay. Analog.
We're going to bring our, actually let's go a little higher than that. Going to get a 20 volts on the meter.
20 volts on the meter. Okay. We
All
have
right.
a bright light.
We have a brighter light. We're going to go to 40 volts on the multimeter, because we have 20 on there. And we're going to connect our positive, negative in parallel, and we have just shy of 20 volts.
That's 19.53 volts. That's good. Okay. Thank you, Kate, for doing this again. Thank you, Cliffy.
Absolutely.
No problem.